we're live.
I know, we're having too much fun with nobody here yet. Okay, so it says we're streaming live on Facebook. So let's see. Are we? Are we not? Let's see. I just got a pop-up. I'm streaming live on Facebook. Okay. So can you see us on Facebook?
I can't see anything, but that's because I'm on my device alone and Hannah's operating me remote from the office.
Okay, so we are live in our Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape page. I believe we are live in my CreativeLeeYours page. And then if you do a watch party to your page, then we'll be live there as well.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Okay.
So everyone.
I think, yeah, welcome. Yay. All right. I got to pull up
I think everybody knows who we are.
Yeah, but let's introduce ourselves just in case there's someone that doesn't know. Right?
Absolutely. Go ahead, Miss Wendy.
All right, so I am Wendy Lee, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the U.S., and this is my friend.
I'm Dana Sullivan, the Stampin' Chick. Hello, everybody.
Oh, so much fun.
So we are here to talk to you guys about our upcoming ice cream party Blue Ridge Stampin' Escape. And oh my gosh, this is an exciting one because it's cold here in the US, at least it's cold here in East Tennessee. And it was really cold this morning, like brr. So we're maybe not thinking about ice cream per se, but I'm hoping for summertime very soon. So I'm dreaming about ice cream in that respect.
Yeah.
So we are here to talk to you guys about our Stampin' Escape, and we're going to show you some sneak peeks and tell you what kind of stuff that you can expect for it. So we're going to kick this thing off right, and I'm going to send it over to Miss Wendy so that she can share her bonus project with you. Yeah. And then we'll move along.
Okay, perfect. So, all right. So the bonus projects, there's actually two of them. There's one that I'm doing and there's one that Dana's doing. So I'm doing a framed art project, which if you've taken any of the framed art projects I've done in the last few months, they've been very, very popular and they're lots of fun. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek. See if I can do it without getting too much glare, right?
I just love it.
There we go. Yay! So that is a sneak peek of the framed art project. Of course, the frame doesn't come with it, but we will share all the information to let you know what frame I use. And of course, you can use whatever makes you happy. But so the bonus class is only going to be available as part of the escape. Dana, you're cracking me up. So those are exclusive only to escape attendees. So, you know, so if you want to get your hands on that tutorial, it's the only way to do it. You are cracking me up. God. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, Dana, tell us about your bonus project.
We have a lot of fun. Yeah. Okay, so Miss Wendy's sampler project is absolutely gorgeous, and it's going to be a perfect addition to a beautiful space on your wall. And then I have a party set for you because, as I said, we're hoping for summertime soon. And what do you do for the summertime? You do parties. So how about a super sweet favor bag and tag to start it off. Of course, we've got a beautiful place setting for you. A napkin ring to match, so cute. And of course, a cupcake or cake topper.
Those are super sweet projects.
I just love that they all coordinate together. They're going to look beautiful on your party table with your plates and your cups. So fabulous.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Such great ideas.
So Miss Wendy, we're having a great time with this Stampin' Escape, and we're hoping for warmer weather to come very soon.
Yes, yes. Although I'm afraid it's going to get colder before it gets warmer, but that's okay. I enjoy ice cream all year long.
Yay! Ice cream is good anytime.
Yes, yes.
So these projects are just the tip of the iceberg of what kind of amazing stuff people are going to be getting with our Stampin' Escape, right?
Yes, yes. So we've got an exclusive Facebook group. So we get to interact with everybody in the Facebook group, which is awesome. And if you're not a Facebook user, it's not a problem. We send you all the information. The bonus content, as I mentioned, is only available to the Escape attendees. So the Stampin' Escape itself, the tutorials will be available later for the basic kit projects, the 12 projects. But the bonus content will not be available after the Escape. So it's only available as part of the whole experience, right?
Exclusive.
Yes, very exclusive. So we will also have some live interactions with our guests that are attending with us. And so that's always a lot of fun. We have a good time with that. And of course, there'll be opportunities to win prizes and virtually and have some fun. So we have a really good time with it each time.
Absolutely. And I think we're starting off on Friday evening with a bingo game kickoff, aren't we?
We have a welcome party and bingo scheduled. And of course, maybe a few prizes we'll be giving away then.
I love bingo.
So much fun. So much fun.
Yes.
All right.
It's going to be a great time.
I'm going to look in the Facebook group and see if there's anybody asking any questions. I'm not seeing any questions so far, but that does not mean, let's see.
Perfect. And if anyone is on my page watching the watch party and you're making comments or asking questions, I'm not able to see them right now, but once we're done with the live, I'll go back and I'll check them out and I'll be sure to respond. So feel free to go ahead and ask your questions and know that I'm not ignoring you, but I will get back to you as soon as we're done with our live.
Yes, yes. So we'll go back and look at all questions. I'm seeing a few things right here. So Mary, you're asking about the meeting ID to join the Zoom. So it's just Dana and I on the Zoom. We're just streaming to Facebook. So we did not give you guys a Zoom link to join in with us right now. So sorry if that was a little bit misleading, but no, we decided we're just hanging out together and streaming on our Facebook page so that we could share some of this with you guys. Elise, I'm so glad that you love the project. So I hope you'll decide to join us. Yes, Mary Cook, there is still time to join the Escape. The registration deadline is actually January 30th. So you have just a couple more weeks to sign up. And again, you can choose the Escape kit. There's an option to add on the stamp set and punch bundle. Gosh, do I have that handy?
Stamp set.
You have it? Oh, good. So Dana's on the ball. She's got it. So she's showing it. So yes. So that's the stamp set we're using is the sweet ice cream and then the coordinating ice builder cone.
Ice cream builder punch. Ice cream builder and it punches, let's see, it punches the ice cream scoop and the cone right there.
Yes. Yeah. But we'll be utilizing every image in that stamp set across the projects. So it's so much fun. Oh, Mary says she's in. All right, Mary, get registered.
You're gonna love it. Now she's
Lynn,
been
thank you for joining us as well.
Before.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, Mary has done a couple of escapes before. So yes, I hope to see her join us again.
She knows how awesome they are.
Yes, they are a lot of fun, I think. So you guys will have to tell us if you think they are as well. We've had some really good feedback on not only the projects, but the experience in general. So I hope you guys will give it a go and try it out because we put a lot of work into it, but we love you. And
that's right. Especially today.
Yes, it's been an interesting day, hasn't it?
So we're starting the kickoff on Friday evening, February 19th at 8:30 in the evening, Eastern Standard Time.
That sounds right-ish.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'll go with that.
I think it is. I'm pretty sure it's 8:30, but you know what? You'll get an email and it'll have all the information.
Yes.
But we'll do our bingo live then. And when you sign up for the Stampin' Escape and your kits get shipped out, you'll get an invitation to the Facebook group. So you'll be able to kind of look around a little bit and get familiar with the group before we start everything. And the bingo card will be already posted in the group. So you'll be able to select your bingo numbers and get ready for the fun to start. And then we're going to be doing some more Facebook Lives in between. So that'll be a lot of fun. And you'll have continuous access to the group forever until
Facebook shuts us down, right?
Huh?
At least until Facebook shuts us down.
That's right.
Right. Now, I also want to say those bonus Facebook Lives that we're doing, those are additional projects on top of the 12 projects. And I also want to say, if you sign up for the bonus projects, those are not posted in the Facebook group. So you will get those via an email that has the information to download. And each tutorial will have a video link as well. So you not only get the PDF, but you get the video link as well. Yay! So lots of good stuff. We will make sure that after our live that we give, we'll update the description of this video to add the links so that you can join us and get registered. We'd love to have you. Yeah,
we're gonna have so much fun. You don't want to miss it.
Yeah, it'll be a good time. Really great projects. I'm really excited about. Oh, I know I was sneak peeking, but I didn't do this. Sorry, had to show. So we've got some fun folds, some interactive, some 3D, lots of great things.
A great variety of all sorts of projects. Yeah, it's going to be so much fun.
Yes. All right, Dana, I'm going to scroll through and see if I have any more comments real quick. All right, I'm not seeing anything else, but we will definitely go back through and make sure we catch any comments and answer any questions. Blah. Absolutely. As we go through.
Absolutely.
All right. Anything else, Miss Dana, that you want to say?
Oh, goodness. I think that we've pretty much covered it. We have all the projects. There's 12 projects. You're getting paper ribbon embellishments.
Totally
you didn't even say that in the goodie bag. So you're getting lots of product in your kit, plus the 12 project kits already pre-cut and ready for you, except for the designer series paper. You'll cut that yourself, but you'll have the package of paper, and you're going to have plenty of stuff left over. So if you already have the sweet ice cream bundle, or if you add it on, then you'll have plenty of stuff to play with afterwards too. So you'll be able to do the alternative projects in the bonus videos, and what else more?
Yeah.
Who knows what else you'll do? There you go.
Exactly. All right. Well, I think we're ready to wrap up. Oh, Lori, you're in love with this bundle. It's really, it's one of those things that when I first saw it, I was kind of like, oh, okay, I kind of like it. And then I got into it a little deeper. I was like, I'm not really sure. But then once you really dive in and start playing with it, it's got so many possibilities, and you can really take the color, like as we were flashing by some of the things that we're not telling you what they are, but like you can have some really bright projects, or like the home decor is a little more subdued. So it's a little more pastel-y. So you can really change the feel of that. Terry wants to know if you'll be able to watch the Facebook at a later time if you can't make the live. Of course.
Absolutely.
Yes. So the Facebook group is a private group that you'll be invited to just for the event. And all the information, once it's uploaded, is there for you to access anytime you want to, for as long as you want to. I say until Facebook shuts us down. I don't know if Facebook's going to close down groups anytime soon, but if they ever did, then that would be the only reason you wouldn't have access. So we leave it live so that you can access it when it's convenient for you. Of course, we would love for you to join us live when we have the event, but we know that life is busy and you can't always do that. So yes, you'll be able to get to everything. Yes.
Very good.
All right. That's all the questions I'm seeing right this minute. Again, we will go back and make sure we've hit everything and answer all of your questions. And shoot Dana a text or a Facebook message or an email, or shoot it to me and we'll answer your questions if we've missed anything. All right. All
Yay.
right, my friend, you have a wonderful weekend.
You too. Thank
All right.
you.
All right. Everyone out there as well. I get to go visit my grandbaby this weekend. So, you know, when a 4-year-old calls and says, Gigi, I need you to come see me, you get in the car and you go see her.
That's right.
Yeah. So.
That's right.
All right. Thank you all for watching with us tonight. We'll see you soon, I hope.